We've got one of the coolest devices since Mr. Kindle invented the Kindle. This is awesome. This is going to be really great for, if you're like me, you're a bit of a lazy reader and you just love to chill. So you'll need your e-reader. I've got a Kindle, but I guess it'll work on other ones as well. And what you get in this little pack here is you get a clicker and a clacker. I don't know what you call them. This is basically a page turner and a remote. And the way that it works is you grab your e-reader. I have the Colorsoft, which is my favorite, so it would work on pretty much like any of the Kindle range. I've got it in a case as well. What I would say is you're going to be needing a case. Either going to be caseless or a case that's got a space along the edge so that it clips on properly. The first thing you do is you give it a charge, and I think the charge said 35 days of daily use. So basically, pretty much in line with your e-reader, your Kindle. I probably just find that once a month, I'll just charge it all up together at the same time for a couple of hours, and we're good to go again. So you've got your little thing, looks like a little old-fashioned pager. It's got a little clip on the front, and the way that it works is this bit would be on the back of the Kindle, the thick part, and this clips across the front, and this part makes contact with your Kindle. And when you send a signal with your remote, it will turn the page. So you haven't got to have the Kindle holding the Kindle up if you don't want to. So my case has doesn't have an edge, so it's going to go on fine. All you would do, now I've set it so I've got a little bit of a wide margin so that it doesn't interfere with any of the pages. So my top tip is one, a caseless Kindle or one with a no thick edge. And I'd set my margin to be slightly in so this doesn't interfere. And all you do is clip it on like that. You turn it on at the back and say 35 days of use. You grab your remote and you just press the button to turn the page. So picture the scene. You're laying in bed. It's a little bit chilly. You've got cold hands. You're going to be holding your Kindle. Your Kindle's in a case. You've got this up. You've got this resting on your stomach or your chest or your bedside table. You've got it like that. And you're laying there, hands back, hands under the bedding, and you just press your clacker and the little page will turn. Also perfect if you're on a train or a bus and you just got it in there, you've got it sitting in front of you, and you just don't want to be touching it. You don't want to be making a fuss or taking your gloves off as well. So if you read and you're going on a bus or a train, got cold hands, you're wearing gloves, you haven't got to take them off. And all you do is keep going whenever you want to. Also, bonus of doing that is you're not going to fall asleep and in your face, which is what I do all the time. Let's turn my page back, and I'm going to miss out some pages here. You get a charging cable with it as well. There's a little charging port on the back there of both of them. This has a strap on it again, so that if you do fall asleep, which is what I do, you will not drop it on the floor and lose it. So yeah, perfect combo for really efficient, not lazy Kindle reading. Perfect for your page turning on the go. Does work, does fantastic, works with the Colorsoft, it'll work with the regular Kindle. All you basically need, make sure is you can make contact with the screen by no interference by a thick case, and you are good to go. Hope that helps.